Sunny day. Improve your pronunciation. Today is a sunny day. I like sunny days because we can eat cold foods like ice creams. And I really like to enjoy some time on the beach with my family members. When I wake up, it's nice to see the sunlight that comes into my room. Sunny days bring more energy to do all the work. My brother also helps him plant some seeds and puts water on the plants. My father also likes sunny days because he can clean the garden and grow vegetables and fruits. Father cares about his car. He has the chance to clean the car on sunny days. My mother dries clothes and chilies on sunny days. She spends time happily on sunny days. It makes her work easy. She makes fresh juice and keeps it in the refrigerator. Sister bathes her dog. She cares about her dog's cleaning so much. My brother likes to play cricket with his friends. My mother treats his friends to fresh fruit juice, biscuits, and cakes. Sometimes she makes fresh fruit salad. His friends always appreciate my mother's fruit juice. On sunny days, I like to practice swimming. We all like to work on sunny days. After breakfast, we start to do our daily work. At 10:30 a.m., I'm making tea for all the members and everyone likes to drink it so much. At lunch, my brother and sister make some meals. My sister's meals are so tasty. After preparing meals for lunch, we bring our lunch meals to the wooden table in our garden. Those those wooden tables and chairs made by my father. We enjoy them in the garden. Eating in the garden brings us more happiness than eating inside the house. For dessert, we eat ice cream, especially on sunny days. We all like ice cream so much because it gives us more energy. In the evening, we go for a walk and do some exercises. We always like to go to the beach on sunny days. It feels more comfortable. After some time, we all take some rest and then we take a bath and wash our clothes. Then we all sit in wooden chairs in the garden. Spend some time listening to songs. Thank you for watching my video. If you think my video is valuable to you, please like, share and subscribe to my channel.